In this video, I'll show you how to link two tables in Airtable. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base that contains the tables you want to connect. Make sure both tables already exist before creating the relationship between them. Next, open the table where you want to add the linked records. Click the plus button to create a new field, choose Link to another record as the field type, and then select the table you want to link to. Airtable will ask you to confirm the relationship before creating the field. After that, click Create Field and begin linking records. You can select existing records from the connected table or create new ones directly from the linked record field. Airtable will automatically create a corresponding linked field in the other table, keeping both tables connected and synchronized. Now, test the relationship by opening a few linked records. Verify that changes made in one table are reflected in the other, and that you can easily navigate between related records. This makes it much easier to organize projects, customers, inventory, or any other connected data. Finally, continue adding linked records as your database grows. You can also use these relationships to build lookup fields, rollup fields, and more advanced workflows throughout your Airtable base. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to link two tables in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.